Hospitality is changing, with rising costs, changing trends, and staffing shortages becoming the industry norm. Businesses that do not adapt risk being left behind. That's why BNA has partnered with Yoello to bring you the BNA Digital Dining platform, a perfect solution to help your team operate smoothly by minimizing the impact of staffing shortages. BNA Digital Dining offers the most versatile, feature-rich, and user-friendly mobile payments platform available. A one-stop shop to offer your customers table service, takeout, deliveries, and more, without needing any technical assistance. So, how does it work? Using any smartphone, customers can simply scan a QR code to browse your digital menu, order, and pay without downloading an app. The order is then sent directly to your BNA Digital Dining terminal, kitchen printer, personal device, or integrated POS system, making order management easier than ever before. This award-winning technology supports thousands of businesses and cost-saving and revenue-boosting benefits. Increase customer spend by 30% through item upselling. Turn over tables 40% faster by decreasing wait time and providing a seamless ordering experience. Get instant access to live analytics to help you make data-driven decisions and get to know your customers. Unlock marketing and loyalty tools to engage your customers so they return time and time again. Don't get left behind. Improve your operations and increase revenue with BNA Digital Dining. Visit our website now to find out more.